This cafe series GE dishwasher, which is not washing the dishes properly. Some are staying dirty, so I'm going to see what is going on. Seems like some of these jets are blocked, as you can see here. This one is. The other jets are big in size, so chances of them getting fully blocked are less. But as you can see here, I have blockage. You can see the deposition there also. There too. So it has been in use for over 1 year, but I have been cleaning it after every 2 to 3 months. This time again, it seems it requires cleaning. This is clean. So since removing this spray arm requires removing a bolt on the back side, which I have shown in another video. So I'm probably not going to remove this one, but I have removed the lower rack, which is lying here, and these small holes are for washing the spoons and forks, etc. through this holder. And on the top rack, this spray arm, it can easily be removed by unscrewing this from here, and that also I have shown in another video. So I'll remove this arm, and these are the spray nozzles for washing the glasses or some delicate glassware. So these holes seem to be blocked. It is not able to focus that much, but let's see if it focuses this here. You may be able to see that the holes are blocked in this one and also in this one. Let me put my finger here so that it focuses just this. Yeah, as you can see, these holes are fully blocked. This one also is, and that one not to that extent. So let me open this spray arm, and then I'll try to see how do I clean these. The upper spray arm, as you can see, this is all the grime and blockage. This one is blocked. This one is. These two seem fine. So there is another video in which I have shown how to clean these. So basically what I'm going to do is pour water in here through the faucet and then see which one holes are blocked, and then try to open them with a toothpick or something like that. And this is how I'm going to clean it. I'll try to open this and turn it around, try to unlock it from the downside, and then try to see how to remove it. So it's easy. There are a couple of locks. This lock and this lock, and then this lock, and then it can be removed. So then I will try to feed some water from this side and see how the holes are. Let's see that. Moved it, and if you can see here, all of this grime needs to be removed. And let's see, these are the holes. So let me try to put some water from this side, and then we'll see. Now after the cleaning, as you can see, there was a lot of grime, and now everything is looking good. Thanks for watching.